All right, we're back with today's challenge from Money Origami Originals. Now, this is called Henry Dudeney's Dissection of an Equilateral Triangle. And just so the camera doesn't mess with you there, see, it's an equilateral triangle. Now, it's fairly easy to do if you have an equilateral triangle. And then you cut it up into 4 pieces. You can only make 3 cuts. And then it makes a square. But the challenge to you, and it's very simple to try, and it's a challenge to get it right, is to do it with only a ruler and a pen, or you can just do it with folds and you can tear it, you can cut it, however you want to do it. But the only extra tools would be ruler, pen. Now, if you don't want to tear it, you can use a knife. You can't use a protractor or compass. That's my rules for this challenge. And it's just a few simple folds. Now, I'm going to give you some clues and everything. So you start with some square paper. And this is 1/2. And that is 1/2. Those 2 marks. And then these angles right here are all 60 degrees. And so it seems simple. It's really simple to try it. So go ahead and try it. And it's a lot of fun. It's pretty cool. And then, so see, now this would be 1 cut, 2 cuts, 3 cuts. And all the pieces are different shape, different sizes. These are real similar, but they're different. So, and then you turn that around, turn this around, turn that around. I didn't turn this one around properly. And so there's the puzzle. And starting with the square, comes out almost exactly perfect. Now, it's really complicated to do it with a protractor and compass anyway, so if you want to use that, who cares? So go ahead and try to make a square sheet into an equilateral triangle with only 3 cuts. That's the challenge. And I'll have the solution coming up very shortly. All right. So check out the Money Origami Originals channel. It's a lot of cool money origami you've never seen before, if you're not already a subscriber member. All right. Take care, and the solution will be in a day or 2, just to make sure everybody has a chance to try it. Don't watch the solution first. And I'll put a link in the video if you just want to make the puzzle from a triangle that forms a square. So I'll put a link in the description. It's in French, but you can easily follow along visually. You don't need the words to do it. It's very simple. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.